marching in, go marching in. Oh, when the Saints go marching in, I want to be in that number. Oh, when the Saints go marching in, up the Saints.
Well, we're going to go try and get down these stairs somehow. You know, I'm a bit amazed. We've got a coach here without a lift. You know, I thought I'd pay for a lift, but we're going to go down and have a word with some of the players. If we can get down here, Ed, and we see them, we're going to surprise them because they don't know we're going to talk to them. And Dan's over there, so we're going to talk to Skipper first, Mr. Webb. How you doing, Liz?
Yeah, not too bad.
Right. How's it going?
Yeah, I'm doing all right, just chilling out, getting ready for the game.
I know, you always do. You're always very quiet on the away games as you go down. What do you think we're doing so far this season?
I think we've got better over the last couple of games. We started off a little bit shaky. I said in the paper, I couldn't put my finger on it. I spoke to Dennis about it. I think we've found a good little bit of form. Some of the performances haven't been too pretty, but we've got the job done.
Yeah, but we've had a combat against teams.
Exactly,
we've got five across the middle. Give you three midfielders or the two central midfielders a big problem where you have to battle and fight for the ball, and they just, a lot of them a bit like against who do we play? Burnham. They just whack it forward and it's just composure for us, isn't it?
It makes the game a little scrappy, but we have enough quality in the team to shine through.
Good. Hopefully we get a win today. Right then, let's get on to OP. How you fit? You're not fit, are you?
Not today, no.
Hey?
Not today, no.
And at Burnham, I was shouting over to Dennis, get him off in case he gets another injury. Dennis ignored it, put you up front, you score a bloody goal.
Yeah.
How much do I know about football? So what one did you hit it with, the bad one or the good one?
The bad one.
You hit it with the bad one?
Yeah, I shouted to Steph to pass me the ball, and then I thought, Jesus, as he's passed it, and as you wouldn't see, I swung it and fell over.
Well, you do it instinctively, don't you? You say, give us the ball, you forget you got an injury, and you swung it, and you put it in the back of the net.
Yeah, it was nice though.
It's a nice goal, yeah, but I thought you at the back with Nick here done well, and Jordan come on, and it's hard against teams like that, isn't it? Because they just whack it up at you all the time.
They do. You know, it's been like that, especially away from home this season, big physical sides, and that's what they look for, set pieces and that. And if we compete, we do well at that, then we've got their players midfield up front who can hurt teams, and that's what we did through the weeks.
Right, let's move on to Nick. I hope that's salad.
That's a pasta.
I hope it's a pasta, not Kentucky Fried Chicken and chips.
It's all healthy, this is.
Well, mate, you know, you finally broken through into the first team. You played a few games. I thought you was excellent against Burnham.
Oh, cheers.
Yeah, you were very good. You showed no signs of nerves, and you played against some big lads up front. So
yeah, big physical
that can do you well. And you've done a terrific tackle in the first half.
Yeah, I know.
Getting back.
I should have been more awake, to be fair.
Should have been more awake. Okay, then, right.
Yeah, so but.
Well, maybe if you was awake, you might have pulled him down, and give a penalty away. So having a swipe at it would have been pretty good.
Yeah, I made the tackle, recovered, so it wasn't all too bad. It was all right. Well, yeah,
you enjoying it?
I'm enjoying it. It's definitely different from what I'm used to. Big physical sides, and they're
growing confidence.
Yeah, getting there anyway. So
right, good stuff.